So this is the unboxing of the June 2015 Loot Crate. It's my first Loot Crate. Spoiler alert, if you haven't received yours yet, don't watch this. Let's get started. Alright, here it is. I cut the tape already. Pretty cool box. That is cool. Terminator skull, half scale. Try to do this one-handed. Let's see. Ooh, Optimus Prime t-shirt. That's killer. That is killer. It's like a pencil holder, pouch, circuit board style. Ooh, it's the brain chip. Feels like it's a keychain of some sort. That's cool. That looks collectible. A patch. Looks like a company patch. A magazine, which should tell you everything that's in it. Very cool. Let's see what this is. Looks like a target. Battlestar Galactica target. I think there's two of them. Let's see what this is. Yep, there is two of them. That is cool. Oh, that's awesome. That is cool. Borderlands 2 mouse pad. It's actually quite big too. Perfect. That is cool. And the Loot Crate, June 2015 Cyber Pin. From what I hear, you get one of these every month. And some stickers. Nerd HQ, or HQ stickers. That is cool. I'm gonna put one of those on my car. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not gonna be in San Diego, but sounds like they're having an event. Here's the box. I'm probably unfold it later, see what it does. But that is the Loot Crate for June 2015. If you like, please press the like button, subscribe. I'll be putting one of these every month. This was my Father's Day gift, and I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna dig this t-shirt. That's cool. If you like what you saw and you want to get a Loot Crate of your own, click the link in the description and get a discount code. Save you a few bucks. And enjoy.